In this video, we're looking at how to switch between radians and degrees on our new Casio calculator, or going from degrees to radians on the new Casio calculator, the FX83GTX, as you see here in the picture. So we're going to look at 4 examples. On the left, we're going to look at converting 2 examples of degrees into radians. And then on the right, we look at converting degrees from radians. So 4 examples, and on the first one here we need to convert 360 degrees to radians, and we're going to use our calculator for this. So I'm going to take out my calculator now. Okay, and the first thing we need to do, we want our answer to be in radians. So we're going from degrees to radians. So you need to set your calculator in the mode that you want your answer to be in. So what you need to do is turn on your calculator, obviously. Then we want to see here that it's preset into degrees. So we need to change that to or, so radians. So we press our shift key, followed by the menu key, which is now set up. You can see here it says 2 for angle unit. Click on 2. We then click on 2 again for radian. Our calculator is now set in radians mode. I want to convert 360 degrees to radians, so I type in on my calculator 360. I then come up to the options, so I click on OPTN. I then click on 2 for angle unit, and I now click on 1 for degrees. Up comes 360 degrees on your calculator. Your calculator is in radians mode, so if you hit your equals button, your calculator will now show 360 degrees converting to 2 pi on your calculator. And that is converting degrees to radians. Let's look at another example. So I want to clear my calculator now, so I hit the AC button, and I want to convert 45 degrees to radians. Once again, make sure your calculator is preset to the mode that your answer wants to be in, and it wants to be in radians mode, so my calculator is in radians. I then type in my 45, I come up to the options key, I then press on 2 for angle unit, and I press on the degree symbol for 1. So I want to convert 45 degrees into radians. I press my equals, and I get 1 over 4 pi, or pi over 4, a quarter pi basically. So there's 2 examples on how I convert from degrees into radians. I'm now going to come over and I'm going to look at 2 examples on how to convert from radians into degrees. So again, I think to myself, what form do I want my answer to be in? I want my answer to be in the form of degrees. So I need to set my calculator into degrees mode. So I press the shift key, followed by the menu, which is now set up. I click on 2 angle unit. I click on the degree number 1 because that's the form I want my answer to be in. So my calculator should have a little D up the top, which says degrees. So I want to convert pi into degrees. So I click on the shift button, followed by the times 10 to the right hand side of the decimal point. It has pi above it in yellow. You should see the pi symbol now appearing on your calculator. I now want to convert pi into degrees. So I'm just going to hit my equals button now. I now want to convert this pi into degrees. So I come up to my options key. I press on that, OPTN. I click on angle unit, and I click on or 2 for radians. You should now see that it says answer or, so your pi in radians. And if I hit my equals now, it will convert my pi radians into degrees. So hit your equals key, and up comes 180 degrees. So let's look at another example. I want to convert 2 over 3 pi into degrees, or 2/3 pi into degrees. So first of all, I'm going to type in 2/3 pi on my calculator. So I'm going to press my fraction button on my calculator, and on the top of the fraction I'm going to type in 2 pi. So I press 2 shift pi, and then I'm going to arrow down to the denominator, and I'm going to type in 3. I'm now going to press my equals button, and I now have 2 over 3 pi on my calculator. I then come up and I want to convert that now into degrees. So my calculator is preset into degrees. That's the form that I want my answer to be in. I now have to come up to the OPTN button, and I click on angle units, and I click on 2 for radians. So I'm basically Again, looking at it here, I'm converting my answer, which was 2 over 3 pi radians, into degrees. So I hit my equals button, and up comes 120, which stands for 120 degrees. So that is 4 examples on how to convert between radians and degrees and radians. So I hope they help. Thank you for watching another tutorial video from Tulla Maths. Make sure and subscribe.